Welcome to this instructional video for installing KE KELIT Revit products into your project. After downloading the piping system you require, open this inside Revit. The easiest way to install these into your project is to select all of the fittings and then filter the selection so you only have piping and plumbing categories selected. From here, you can use the copy to clipboard function and then transfer back to your project. The next step is to move over to the side of your plan and paste the selection. While still in the Edit Pasted Elements mode, delete the fittings and then finish Edit Pasted Elements. The products will still be installed inside your Revit project. You have only deleted the instances you were placing at that time. You will be able to see all of the fittings and pipe types now available in your project browser. You will now have these piping systems available to model inside your project. These fittings and pipes will come in with all the appropriate parameters to work inside your hydraulic systems. It is also recommended that you bring through the schedules that have been created for these systems. Returning to the downloaded Revit project, you'll be able to go and select all of these and copy them to clipboard through the right-click menu. Return to your project and you can paste these in and they will appear in the schedule section of your project browser. These schedules have been designed to check whether the fittings you have created are available from this piping system. This concludes the installation process of KE KELIT pipe fittings into your Revit project.